In the lush hills and flowing rivers of Karbi Anglong lies a small village, Barkok Bapari Lekt. Here lived Kambura Lekt, a straightforward, hard-working, and the most helpful young man in the village. Kambura had a large heart, but also a secret. The secret was Ranjita Sanarpi. Ranjita was the smartest and most beautiful girl in the village. Her laughter echoed the melody of the forest birds. The villagers used to say, Ranjita's face is like the first morning light. Kambura and Ranjita first met by the village waterfall. That day, Ranjita had come to fetch water when her clay pot slipped and hit the stones. Kambura rushed to save her, and from that moment, an unspoken bond was born between their hearts. Days passed. They talked by the field edges, watched each other secretly at fairs, and laughed amidst the raindrops. But the path of love was not easy. Ranjita's family wanted her to marry into a big family in the city, while Kambura was merely the son of a simple farmer. Mountains of challenges stood between them. One night, at the village fair, Kambura courageously said to Ranjita, "Even if the world separates us, Ranjita, my heart will always belong to you." Ranjita replied while looking into his eyes, "Kambura, love isn't just about being together. It's a promise to cherish each other, no matter what." Eventually, with the help of the village elders and relatives, both families agreed. In a simple yet joyfully abundant ceremony, Kambura Lekt and Ranjita Sanarpi took each other's hands. Even today, the people of Karbi Anglong say, their love teaches us that a true relationship isn't built on wealth, but on trust and heart.